Yo, what's up, you guys? What is up? Coming from YouTube. Nice. Good to have you here, Sweepy. Sweet Whizzle. What's up, you guys? Happy Friday. Welcome in, my friends. Welcome in, my friends. Happy Friday. Got some pretty good levels here marked out. Connect now. And should be a good session here for the Friday. You know, remember, whatever's happened this week for you in terms of your trading, win, lose, or draw, as you come into Friday, just leave it at the door, bro. Trust me. Don't try to revenge trade anything today, and don't try to over leverage, or don't try to or don't let overconfidence if you've had a good week as well. Just come in neutral. Even if you don't get a trade today, it's all good, bro. Happy New Year. Yes, sir. What's up, you guys? Awesome. Swaggy D. TikTok restriction is happening to everyone, bro. It's cooked. Oh, really? Yeah, the restriction was saying because of unoriginal content or something like that. It's not like banning me, it's just restricting it for unoriginal content. I wonder why. Like, I wonder what that is. What's up, David? Fucking hell. Awesome, you guys. So welcome in. Let's have a good session over here. Just stick to the rules. You know what to do, man. What do you mean for everyone? Do you mean just for traders, Tom, or just live streams in general? You have an echo, something with your sound? No, I don't. Oh, for traders. Really? Wow, maybe that's their new way to stop trading content. Is that for real, Tom? That's interesting. Maybe that's their way to stop trading content now. Wow. TikTok, you bitch ass. Shit. Meant to say love the webinar last week. Oh, awesome, man. Yeah, that's sick. I'm going to post the webinar, actually. That's good to hear, man. Can't get my head around the Prop XP account. Shibby! Yo, Shibby's in the mentorship. Awesome to have you here on the London session. What up, what up? So yeah, let's do a bit of a top-down analysis here, you guys, and get a bit of a grip of where we're at here for the Friday session. Remember, it's really important to come, like, regardless of how your week's been, regardless of how your week's been, man, the biggest priority on a fucking Friday is to come in neutral. No overconfidence and no fucking revenge trading. Wow, look at this weekly candle massively flipping here. Huge rejection here on the weekly. Wild. Yeah, that's cooked, Tom. Wow, that's interesting. So I guess that's what they're doing for traders. Huh. So let's have a look, you guys. The daily is moving down pretty aggressively. Like right, the last 3 days, we're still moving down. Like, I want to sell gold today. I don't want to buy gold today, but I will if I'm forced to. You know, the 4 hours super bearish. We're kind of within this consolidation range. 30-minute looks like this. I'm not, like, this for me is a no trade range in here. Yeah, this is a no trade range for me in here. I'm going to be looking for about like a breakout of either of these ranges, unless clean traffic gets printed here, like to the immediate left, which I doubt it. But yeah, I'm looking just for a break below ideally, and just get some sort of breakout trade down here, ride it down to this next level over here. We've got clean traffic. We've got clean traffic below here to this level. Pretty ABC stuff. I'm moving down. I want to move with it and just see if we can get a break below. What up, James? What's up, brother? Yeah, there's not too much to think about it. We don't have to get that deep about it. We're moving down. Smash that like button, you guys. Yeah, help the algorithm, you guys. 20 likes over here. 300 people have been here. Nice, nice. Let's have a quick look at NQ. Like usual, I'm not that keen on NQ. Cells are a nightmare. Unless it breaks below this level, I'd be probably interested. Or if it creates clean traffic here and then we can buy back up. Yeah, if it creates clean traffic here, I'll buy back up. But yeah, gold looks like the play for Friday. Gold looks like the play for Friday. Just need 150 pip trade. That's all, please. Nice. Yeah, 150 pip trade that goes into profits immediately and never goes back into drawdown. I'm an island boy. Happy Friday, you guys. Awesome, man. Hope you guys had a good week. How have you guys gone this week? Have you guys finished the week green thus far or red? Oh shit, wrong thing. Wrong thing. I just dropped a poll there in the chat, you guys. Curious to see how you guys have gone this week. Says Friday, yes sir. 500 away from 100k, nice. Small green, but green, yeah, that's fucking dub. 3k, W. BEB is good. How come no one here is saying they're red? Come on guys, we've got to be real out in these streets, man. I had a red week last week. I literally had a red week last week, bro. First time in fucking, I can even remember. In a long time. But just stuck to the rules and kept to the plan. Nothing needs to change if you had a red week, if you had red trades. That's why everyone fails at trading, because they think something needs to change if they don't win every fucking trade. Who's gonna raise the children grow? Red today, nice. Are you red, James? Yep. Okay. 4 trades last week, 4 wins, 100 pips, nice. Amon. Sipping Johnny Walker. I study, bro. Yeah, I got a top step account over here as well. Ah, look at this, 2 red weeks, simple mistakes, didn't stick to the rules. Yep, that's awesome that you've identified the reason why they were red. Cool. W. 2 payouts, even for the week. Nice, nice. Yeah, as long as you're pulling money out, man, that's awesome. Oh, Asia sells. Yeah, we caught a nice Asia sell here this morning with the guys in the crew. Level here. Had this candle break below. Had a retest. And just fucking... I took size off at a wick fill and then just had full TP there. Just a little rat scalp. That's my trade for the day thus far. That's... You guys, I've only taken 3 trades this whole fucking week. Crazy, man. But I'm green. I'm very green because of it. Right? Your boy's on the greenery. But it looks like in the poll here, most people are green for the week, which is good, so... Cool. What up, trades? Meow. You in Marina? Yeah, I'm in Marina. I'll probably move out of Marina after a while. I'll probably move to Business Bay. Raja made me feel like a tourist. Marina Bay is pretty touristy. We'll see. We'll see. Previous 15-minute support break. I took that trade and lost. Is it a good trade? Previous 15. Ah, so you had a level here, and then this broke below. I must have retested, and you got tagged in. I'll tell you what the issue was here. I understand it was a 30-minute break, but that 30 had moved to quite a lot red by this point. But the biggest sign was the fact that the size of this candle body. This could almost be considered a doji candle with the body size and the wick on each end. It doesn't indicate this candle doesn't, to me, represent strength pushing in that direction. This represents more like indecision almost. So I think that's what the issue would have been there. So that's good, man. But take that one into consideration moving forward now. Like, if you get a breakout candle, but the breakout candle is a little bitch ass candle, like just be like, nah, I've seen this before now. The palms, yeah. Business Bay is expensive though. Happy Zest Day, yes sir. Happy Zest Day. Statistically, traders lose the most money on a Friday. Every time I jump on the stream in my head, I say my only goal today is just to stick to the plan. That's all. I know my rules. Do you guys know your rules? That should be the only thing you think when you come into the session. I'm just going to stick to the plan. I'm not thinking about, oh, I want to make this much money. I'm not thinking about this. I'm just thinking, I'm going to stick to the plan. If a good setup arises, I'm just going to click the button. That's all. Yeah, I live in Dubai now. Yeah, yep. Habibi! Yeah, I live in Habibi now. Wow, Graph, crazy. Yeah, I don't even know what that life is like, man. It's wild. Habibi. NQ still moving down. Cool. Cool story, NQ. After a growing week, I think I deserve this humongous... Wait, what? Picking up any slang? No, because I don't do anything. The only humans I interact with are you guys. And what about those two greens next to the doji? In relation to what? Like, what are you thinking? Oh, that would have qualified for a buy? No, I'm not buying within this range here. I'm not partaking in this range here. No. It's too messy. Support, there's another level of support here, and just Wick City and just indecision in the candles. No, I don't want to play within this range. I'm happy to play within ranges sometimes, but if it's relatively like clean, if it literally is like bouncing from top to bottom, and there was like clean traffic all down here, just one color, like maybe 2 or 3 candles, but there's like fucking so much random shit going on that I don't want to, yeah, I don't want to partake in that. Oh, that reminds me. Yeah, I'm gonna start a personal account, you guys. I'm gonna put $1,000 in a personal account and show how to grow a small account. I think that'd be cool. We appreciate you interacting with us. I appreciate you guys being here more than you appreciate me. How about that? Uno reverse. Any bias for Friday? Yeah, I want to sell gold. Oh, this level's actually a bit lower here. Here, put it here because of this. Yeah, put it below, break below that point there. What up, Dilawar? My day's been impeccable. Did the Asia sesh, caught a nice Asia trade, hit the gym, went to the beach, got some work done, read the Bible, smoked a cigar, made a coffee, and cooked lunch. And now we're here, and what's the time? It's only 11 o'clock. So that's the benefits of waking up at 3:30 a.m. every day. You get a lot of time on your hands to do a lot of shit. Yeah, nice, Nate. Might not even trade today. Yeah, good idea, bro. Did you say read the Bible? Yes. Yeah, that's right. I was reading the book of Joel. Yeah, I was reading the book of Joel. Caught the same cell, nice. Yeah, I've seen a couple of cats in the Discord caught that. And you guys, anyone interested in joining the free Discord here, I'll chuck it in the chat. There's a free Discord link pinned in the chat. I appreciate you, Peen. So yeah, let's just hang out here, you guys, and let the trades come to us, man. Sylvia, good to have you here. Amazing. Dan, what time is it for you? Amazing to have you here. Yeah, hopefully you guys that have joined the crew lately had seen that message that I just put in the Discord, the new mentorship group, about the two groups. You mentioned the Bible a couple of weeks back, so I got one, and for whatever reason my trading has been green since. Wow, look at this. Blessed and highly favored, my brother. The interesting thing about moving closer to God is luck starts to become a fucking gift, let alone just luck. Okay, so we're pushing up here. Ah, okay, nice. It's 9. Go see CMBM trade strategy. Thank me later. How about I thank you now and not do that? Oh, nice, Shibby. Okay, sick. Sick. Nah, there's no red folder news today. I'm telling you guys though, next week, it's fucking red folder city. Next week is going to be crazy volatility. It was NFP week, right? We've got like basically red folder news every day affecting the US dollar. Go see PP Poo Poo Street. What up, PP Pez? It's question of the day. Did Tori reply? Let's have a look. I don't think she replied, bro. Yeah. She'll never like a guy like me. Oops. Yeah, how are we gonna get Tori's attention? Do we send like an owl with this, with a fucking scroll or something? Like, I don't know how the game works. Is it gonna be a W today? It's a W if we stick to our rules, regardless if the trade wins or loses. I'm in a Discord, want me to put in a good word? Yeah, drop the word in. Yeah, spam her Discord, you guys. Let's swat her. Everyone in the chat go DM Tori. Yeah, everyone in the chat go DM Tori. Yeah, let's spam her. Mummy trades, yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna need some sort of break below this level, you guys. That's the plan here. Really gonna be looking for a break below this level. Very messy through here. So consider this a no trade zone in this range. For me personally, at least. For me personally. I've seen Bitcoin dropped. Told you guys Bitcoin's going to zero. I went on this crypto podcast a little while back, and I said on the podcast, I said Bitcoin's going to zero. Wow, look at that big drop. So we're nearly there. Oh, I was like, what the fuck is it? So yeah, let's see if we can get out of this range here. Bet you got invited back to Bitcoin zero by 2026. Yes! Our charts are different. I do gold spot. Yeah, this isn't gold spot. This is futures. But I'll switch between gold. I look at the 4 hour on gold spot. That's all. Yeah, I have to pick a side eventually, and I'm trading futures, so I'll stick to futures. I think you already have her attention. She knows you are there and will reach. How do you know she knows I'm here? She doesn't know I exist. Yeah, she doesn't know I exist. She doesn't know Prince Charming is literally been born already. My dream is to go on a crypto podcast and tell people who have their life savings in Bitcoin that's gone to zero. Bro, you have to keep it real, man. I'll find out IP interest me. Fuck. Yeah, I don't know about Inky, man. Alternatively, if we can get out of this range on gold either way, like if gold wants to push up, we can play that game as well. And look at these hourly candles rejecting here. But yeah, be prepared to just be patient here. Like if you're watching price move through here and you're getting emotionally attached to every move, like, bruh. This is like the unpredictable range in here. There's much more predictability if we start gravitating to one of these levels. Then we can start getting a better pulse. Are them lines in your chart range the previous height? No, these are just lines that have been respected. Right, these are just levels that have been respected, and we want, if price breaks below, I know there's clean traffic to the left-hand side to take a sell below or a buy above. What do you think about what do you think about ZS1? ZS1. Uni-year. Oh, C-bot. What the fuck is a C-bot? C-bum? Soybean futures chart. Really, bro? We're trading fucking soybeans in 2025? Is it 2025? I mean, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. Because you're a high profile trader with lots of media time? Nah. Then I just saw a gold guru on TikTok say, this is stop hunt to sell now full tilt. Wait, is there really somebody streaming on TikTok with their chart open? Because mine keeps getting taken down now, and Tom, who does it as well, said the same happens to him and other people. Yo, what up, Mitch? How's Kashi and Shem getting funded for the first time today? Why have they gone mute? Why have they gone mute? They must have already blown their accounts or something. Yeah, they must have already blown their accounts. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. Wow. Suman. This is Suman over here. Do you know Suman's been on the live stream since like day one? Price action traded. Basically trades the same. Incredible. Yeah, incredible stuff. Yeah, what Cody said. W. Good way to finish the Friday. Can you take a look on MLC? What's that mean? What is MLC? Shem! Been in the moment shot. Bro, please don't activate your account until we catch up. If it's still alive. They're on full tilt, yeah. Yeah, but both are... As soon as you guys got funded, I didn't hear a fucking peep in the Discord. I'm like, what are these guys doing? Where'd they go? Unless you're just chilling, going for a drink, even though you're in different places. Oh wow, look, somebody is live. How many viewers were there, Nate? Do you know how many viewers were live? Good man, Shem. Ah, 56, okay, sweet. Bro, you said this CMB thing before. Let's see. This better change my life. If this doesn't change my life, I'm banning you. CMBM strat. CMBM trading strategy. I mean, it already looks annoying. Yeah. Yeah, W Suman. Hell yeah, man. Awesome, brother. Good stuff, man. Good job. Try the AWP strategy. Definitely a bot, yeah, legit. Harry's freaking writing raps for Suman. Yeah, I'm going on tilt with all these other strats. Dude, if I just make my own strategy. Solar system strat. Ariel, happy Friday. Happiest of Fridays. I've got a couple levels here marked out that I'm waiting for price to gravitate towards before I can start getting strapped up for a trade. Bro, you typed that CM thing again, I'm gonna have to block you because you're a bot. Happy Zest Day. Was it easier to adjust to move into Dubai from AU? Yes. It depends what you mean by adjust, RS. What did you mean by adjust? You know, somebody messaged me yesterday and said, make sure you don't burn out. How come nobody cared when I was working a 9 to 5, living paycheck to paycheck, basically on the verge of homelessness by Friday every week? Well, I didn't know what he'd give a fuck there, but now I'm fully chasing my dreams and fully immersed in the freaking process. Like, make sure you don't burn out. Like, I was burnt out when I was working a 9 to 5, nearly homeless every week. That was burnt out. God damn it. Make sure you don't burn out. Bruh. I've never been so alive, let alone burnt out. Burnt out is when you fucking scrummaging for scraps. What's good, David? Oh, Daniel. Fuck. He's in the Matrix. Nah, RS, my why and my purpose is way too massive to even think about anything other. It's not. None of this shit's about me. At some point, yeah, it's about. Nah, I'm fine. I'm fine. It's all good. Yeah, I do think that burn is the fucking heat for sure. NQ's slugging it. That's right, James. Don't burn out. Wow. Graf, do we ban this dude? He keeps spamming this shit. Nah, don't ban him. I guess he's just saying what he wants to say, whatever. Trish! Happy Wednesday, happy Friday. Happy Friday. What's the range up until this shit here? Wow, it's nothing. Yeah, just be patient. Be patient. Or you can be impatient and give back profits on a Friday. That's what 95% are doing today. So do you want to join the fucking, do you want to join the statistic? I don't. The good thing about being up today is like the worst that can happen to me today is I end the day break even. That's the worst thing that can happen is I end the day break even. How amazing is that? That's the worst case scenario is I end the day making like $2. Show the trade that you took? Yeah, I'll show you the trade that we took. You know, we kind of... Let's have a look here. This was Asia, identified the break below level here. This is a respected level with clean traffic below. Bias was bearish, had a candle push below and close below, had a nice wick. Just waited for that retest. Like this is, when it comes to like type 2s, obviously there's nuances and things like that, but you know, it doesn't get any more simple than this. Had that retest as it flipped, had an entry sitting there, took off size at the wick fill, move stops to break even, stop loss that was there got moved to break even, and then let the rest run to there for full profits. And that got me up 300 bands for the day, over 3 accounts. Some of the guys didn't get their full TP hit there and it started to retrace up. I knew they were going to be safe. Yeah, I knew they were going to be safe, and then it came back down and Shimano'd. Yeah, that was the play today. Asia. Just a simple breakout. Exactly like pretty much the same setup I'm looking for here today. So I'm just looking for one more breakout trade today. Yep. Patience pays, yes sir. Yeah, nice call, Mitch, for sure. SRC strategy so easy and has an edge, yes sir. You can edge to that shit all day. Yeah, you guys, so we get paid to wait, right? So let's just wait. Looking for that little rat scalp, yes sir. Looking for that little rat scalp. Do you take orb into consideration or purely just your levels marked? Yeah, I don't take orb into consideration at all. Yeah, not at all. How many setups you have, dog? Bro, how much of a white person did I read that like? How many setups do you have, dog? Oh, many. Yeah, there's many. We break it down into 2 types, type 1, type 2. Type 1's a break through a key area, and type 2 is a reaction off a key area, in simple terms. But a key area can be created on the spot as well. Like if there's clean traffic to the left and we get shit moving down and the overall bias is kind of bullish, and then maybe you get something like this on the 15, but on the 30 it looks like this. The 1 hour also maybe looks like this. You get that reaction. You look to the far left and you go, oh wow, this is a high rejection area on the 4 hour as well. Right, so we know this is a rejected area, and you get the confirmation on the lower time frames. Now you look to take a buy out there. So these type 2 plays can be created on the spot. They don't have to be like previous respected areas. All right, so let's see if gold wants to push down and break through here. Wick fill to the left. Yeah. The main thing is I just want to break below. We have a lot of range to move. I have a breakout impulse buy off support. Oh, you're going to buy when it gets down here? Can I say no? The Discord invite link in your description is invalid. Now you might have to copy the link and paste it into your browser if it's not working. What's pedal? What? Oh, like tennis. Yeah, I've got some ideas for a vlog. Look at the weekly candle. Don't know. Bro, I'm not. Bro, if we're scalping the market, I don't care what the week. To be honest, I really don't give a shit what the weekly's doing. Like I do. I'm interested, but I'm not gonna base my 20 pip scalp off that. Looks like the setup will be invalidated on this candle, so probably. Wait, what? How's it invalidated? What do you mean? If this breaks below, I'm interested. Oh, I'd love to do a golfing vlog. I don't think it'd be very interesting, but it would be fun. Fuck yeah, that just remind me, I might go play golf, man, tomorrow. Anyone in Dubai that wants to play golf? Then did you like my teaser shot of the new? Yeah, that looks sick, Paul. Keen as. So good. My strategy is similar to yours, but not all the same. Yeah. So can you fly me out? Who remembers that Stacy chick? She wanted me to fly her out and shit. Nah. I'll pass. So we've got 6 minutes, see if we can hold our ground here below this level and look to participate. Yep. Thank you. Might be so. So this is what I was saying before. Like you can come down and potentially create a type 2 on the spot. I don't know if this would be a good scenario because it's not like this is a high rejection area or anything. Like this is kind of just randomly pulled up here. If it was, I mean, it kind of is. I don't know. We'll see. Don't leave gold. This might leave. What website do you use for chart analysis? I mean, TradingView. Yeah, TradingView, or this platform comes with the prop firm account. Like look into prop firms. Look into what a prop firm is, a prop firm challenge. Dan, can you start paying my bills, please? I don't want to work anymore and I want to travel the world, maybe. I get a lot of messages of people saying can't money. Oh wow, look. No FOMO. We'll get it set up. We'll get it set up, trust me. Yeah, locking out would be a good call, Cody. Nice, man. Then if you send me a rollie, I'll tell the team who Dan's the... Katy Perry in space. Yeah, so this candle's got 4 minutes here. Let's see what it wants to do here. Does it want to retrace? Does it want to push down? Does it want to close below and still maybe give us a wick fill opportunity? There's potentially opportunities here, so we've got to be patient right now. Don't get emotionally invested in it and just chill. No FOMO Friday, that's right. NFF. Yeah, I truly believe it's some sort of psychological thing. Like traders are either trying to get profits back or they're overconfident on a Friday. That's why the statistics are so skewed. Why do traders lose the most money on a Friday?
Fridays can be a bit tricky for traders for a few reasons. One is that markets can be more volatile as traders close out positions before the weekend. Also, there's that psychological factor of wanting to end the week on a high note, which can lead to riskier decisions. Plus, if there's any big news over the weekend, traders might be more cautious.
Shut up. They're going to get me back for that one day, AI. So how far has this candle moved? Too bad. FVG goat. Oh really, CJ? Yeah. Which platform? It says it there. Prop XP is the name of the platform. Yeah, Trish, potentially looking for a sell opportunity here below this level. It's kind of, you know, it did extend quite a lot here. Let's see what it looks like on Forex, just out of curiosity. Oh, wow, look at it on Forex. Is that still that level there on Forex? I mean, I guess we're kind of going to have to ignore that or something. I don't know. This is a tricky one. This is a fucking tricky one. No, I won't be doing the New York session. We've got a minute before this candle closes here. What day is the mentorship test? Is it open book? Wait, what do you mean mentorship test? You guys are fucked. Alright, I got 30 seconds for a closure here. Perry's freaking cooked, man. Perry has entered level cookedness. Yeah, this is weird, bro. Let's do some measurements here. I mean, it's not that bad. 20. No, you could have like a 25 pip stop or something. Yeah, I shouldn't have looked at Forex. Forex didn't break below here, which is a bit concerning. I shouldn't have looked because now it's in my head. Futures did. Why didn't you go short, bro? Because I wait for closures, bro. Look at the text here. Sells below, closure. Have to wait for candle closures. I mean, I might be interested here. I'll tell you what would be the best case scenario is if it retests and then fucking closes small body green. I'll be very interested in impulse sell after that. But in order for me to take a sell here, now that it's quite overextended, I'm going to need a really nice retest like that. I'm going to need a really nice retest. If you don't see exactly what you want to see, you got to ask more from the candles then. You have to ask more from them. It can drop here. I don't give a fuck. Like, I can't do anything about it. I have to stick to my rules. My rules are the only reason I'm green every week, except last week. Just want to go to the sauna with Tori and Anya. Legit. You only consider the most recent level? Yeah, I'm basing this off mainly this point here. This is the lowest closest point where there's clean traffic below that. On the 15-minute time frame, the closures of the bodies, clean traffic below. So I can sell down into that, no dramas. So there's that big retest. I guess if it can flip from here, I'll probably be interested. I'll put a sell stop here. And see what happens. I'd rather this close small body green and then the next one push. Definitely would rather that. One goal for today, follow the plan. That's what I like to hear, Tyrone. W for Tyrone. Yep, W for Tyrone. Yeah, I gotta stop looking at the Forex 15-minute chart. One hour close in 12 minutes. That 4 hour just broke the previous 4 hour low. Forex didn't break the previous 4 hour low yet. Yeah, like if this candle could close like that, that'd be much better, but I'm not mad. I'm not mad if it wants to flip red. Very nice, CJ. Yeah, very nice. I mean, if it flips from here, let's do the math real quick. It's about 29 pip stop. About 29 pip stop, not bad. Not bad. Big Chris, what up, what up? Yeah, very good. Yeah, much better week this week. I think a lot of the guys, a lot of price action traders had a much better week this week. there wasn't as many opportunities this week, but the opportunities that were presented were pretty like just, you know, odds were kind of in our favor. Connect, bro. Me and Raj are in a pool. Why? I studied, bro. Trades. Peace out. Peace out. Yeah, Mitch's dashboard represents that perfectly. Yes, that's right. Oh fuck, I gotta set this up on my top step thing. So yeah, I'll give us a couple more minutes. I would much rather this close like that, then I'll be fucking all in. Yeah, I know, but I can't. I have to pick a side, and I can't really do something based on forex. Yeah, I can't really do something based on just on forex if I'm trading futures. I have to really pick a side, and futures broke out, so I'll have to stick to futures. Al Raja, who art in heaven, hello be thy name. I don't know much about Tradeovate. Not full pot Friday. You know Nick, just a human being named Nick. I know probably 3 Nicks my whole life. Yeah, I know probably 3 Nicks since I was born.
Order filled.
Oh wow, look at this. Prop XP goated, that's all you need to know. My bro. All you need to know is Prop XP the go. Yep. Yeah, so I have to just do what I said I wanted to do, which is I said if the only reason I'll be interested in this if it can retest up here, it's exactly where it retested, flipped, and here we go. That's what I wanted. If you get what you want, you can't complain about it, my dudes. Who talks about their Lambo? TTE. I'd probably talk about my Lambo as well if I had one. Brum brum. Yeah, be prepared to potentially be stuck in this for a candle closure. We'll see. If this trade hits, Tori will spawn in the chat. Yeah, fuck. Can't trade. You can do it. We need Tori to spawn. We need Tori to spawn, man. Oh wow, look at this. Is this real? Projector. That's wild, Cody. That's so funny. That's right. I forgot about that. Boy's got the projector out. Crickets. Yeah, every time we enter a trade, the chat just goes quiet. You guys, it's just a trade. Who gives a shit? Like, don't stress. Wow, look at this shit. Billions and billions. This must be legit. Didn't you guys know that people that are typically in $200,000 USD trades stream it on TikTok with 4 of your viewers? That's what all $1 million traders do. Billions and billions. Dan, how's the water? The water's actually good here. Yeah, the water is actually pretty good here. I've got a lot of mineral water and stuff. Yeah, hourly closure could cook us a little bit. We'll see. Yes, I'm aware of that. I would have waited for the hour to close, but it flipped with still a decent amount of time on the clock, so I couldn't not take it. Still a decent amount on the clock, so I couldn't not take it. You dig? Yeah, that's right. Crickets. I mean, if it, let's say this happens, this closes like this, and then the next hour opens up and wicks me out and then starts to push, I may re-enter. We'll see. We'll see. We shall see. Yeah, $2. Yeah. Full Marge Simpson. Alfred signal. We're cooked. Maybe. I like this closure. If it closes like this, man, and don't get wicked out by the next one, it looks really nice. Marge Simpson, yeah. Yeah, if we get that, definitely got a Marge Simpson it. Remove your stop loss and you don't want to... What up, Jamil? Doing amazing. Doing amazing. David Holmes. Yeah, just remove the stop loss. Yeah, dude, just remove it all. You know what? Remove stop loss and take profit. Just have a floating trade forever. Add to your losses, cut the winners short. Yeah. Stop profit, take loss. All right, this is the owl. So hopefully don't get wicked out by this hour candle. Hopefully don't get wicked out by this hour candle. That's the main thing. All right. If it wants to create a top wick and retest and shit like that. Is that a 30? No. I mean, what business does it have holding ground down here? You know what I mean? What business does it have holding its ground down here if it wanted to not go down? Nah, I probably won't add. Because Forex has got in my head now, knowing that Forex isn't below. Even survive a week? That'd be the biggest question. Did gold's hour break below our level? No. Yeah, spots in my head. Yeah, I traded Forex for 2 years, Trish. A bit more than that, maybe. Yeah, I traded Forex for a while. Are we cook chart? Kentucky Fried Chicken, I think. I think I'm Kentucky Fried. I think I'm Kentucky Fried. The Colonel has spoken. Follow my rules, don't need to be sweating, glad I'm winning. Yeah, that's exactly it. I mean, in hindsight, I would have rather to wait for this exact structure here, but it flipped down, so like it flipped down with quite a lot on the clock still, so it, you know, have to stick to the rules. Bro, you don't wait for it to flip the first red. I don't know. It'll be okay, Dave. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I might re-enter. If I get cooked, I might re-enter. Everybody be quiet. That's fucked. Does anyone know of any job openings at Macca's? Does anybody know any McDonald's job openings at this point? That's the real question. Oh wow, look at NQ. No, I never back down, ever. What? Bang, bang, banana. Yeah, at this point, really going to be looking for some sort of job openings at Macca's. So we'll see. We'll see. I'll go long so the candle goes down. Yeah, legit. Trapped into a immediate drawdown. Yeah, there's nothing funner than that, right? Yo, what up, History? What's up, my brother? Nice. Good to have you here, brother. Good time to join. We're in some crazy profits. Yeah, in some crazy profits here. Sir Bottom ticked the wrong direction. We need a bleeder. We need a miracle at this stage, you guys. I don't want to have to go back to Macca's. I just would have. I typically would have waited for this, but the candle had so much time on the clock still that I couldn't not take it. You know what I mean? I would have rathered to wait for the hour closure, but there was still too much time on the clock for me not to take it. I never saw him wins on live streams. No one ever saw you do anything in life, bro. So maybe you need to work on yourself first. You need to fucking look in the mirror. Food. Every time that food person, every time you've ever come in the chat, all you've done is talk shit. You're ugly. Leave. There was too much time. I'm saying there was too much time on the clock in a good way. Like if you get a breakout and then a retest and then it starts to push back in the direction of the breakout and there's still like 10 minutes on the clock, you know, it's a good sign. But if it was something like, if it was 5 minutes on the clock left before the candle closure, I would have just canceled the order and wait for the closure. But there was still plenty of time on the clock. Everyone loves you when you're winning, right? If you're in drawdown, you fucking get just roasted in the chat. It's like, fucking hell. Everybody loves you when you're on top. And then if you look to the left, doesn't invalidate clean traffic. No, there's clean traffic. Yeah, we've got clean traffic to the left. See? See down here? It's all clean. A bitch clean. What's the process nowadays? Resident visa? Yeah, you just do all the shit. Just get your bloods. You got to do some tests and stuff like that. It's pretty easy. Good to see you alive and healthy. Yeah, I'm doing well, Jim. Thanks, brother. Why do people talk shit in this chat? Healthy respect. Yeah, people are cooked. Gen Pop stream. No roast and David trades. Thank you. David trades. Did you enjoy rubbing shoulders with Raja and his brother? Yeah. Oh, in the sauna. I don't know about the sauna, but Raja and his brother are top cheese. Do you reckon Tori will still love me if I lose this trade? That's the big question on everyone's lips. I would not talk shit if you would sell course. Bro, you acquire a skill which other people want to learn from you, and then you come back to me. But right now you haven't acquired any skill to sell any services. So that's your issue. So I would say study, Brown. I would say study, Brown. Consolidation Nation. Who's David? Me, apparently. David trades. Raj's brother's a clone of him. Raj's brother's a fucking G. I reckon he's sick. He's so cool, man. Yeah, Raj's brother's a G. Nothing from nothing is nothing, and you pay for yeah, bro. I hit stop loss 30, then re-entered. If you close it small, yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's happening here right now. It's a bit ugly. Yeah, it's a bit ugly. Like if it were to close, yeah, we'll see. Let's see how it closes. We'll make a decision when it gets closer. Do you know what Raja Brother does for a living? Yes, Raja Brother is in the trading space as well. Yeah, he has some companies in the trading space. And he trades as well. Yeah, he's got brokerages and stuff. Like he's got stuff. Yeah, it looks great on the 30. Yeah, it looks great on the 30 in the 1 hour. It looks good. It looks like a good setup. I'm not mad. I didn't take the trade because I thought it looked shit. It's a good setup. Nah, Raj's brother's not like that big of a social media cat, but he does have social media. I don't know if he wants it as public. Maybe he does. I'm not sure. I tagged it in my video though. If anyone wants to watch the video, when Raj's brother comes in the scene, I put his Instagram over his body. Good setup, bad execution. I disagree. No, the execution is exactly what I would do any other day. It's the same execution I did today to be up 300, and I just did the exact same thing today. So I know the formula that works. If it doesn't work this time, does it mean that the formula is broken? No, it means it just didn't work this time. But it works most times. Do you like Dubai? I do. Yeah, I like Dubai. Oh, baby. I don't. Yeah, I like Dubai. I like Dubai. If we lock in like this, the trade will work out. See? Who likes being caught in drawdown for, 20 minutes? And then it edging profits, and then eventually it just goes back to fucking stop you out. Are you planning a sauna session with Andrew Tate? Love it. Such a fun time. Last day in the office job today, people like you, energy inspire me, trading. Nice, Ross. Awesome, bro. You're him, brother. Nice history. Lock in, brother. Lock in, my G. Ad plane? Really? No. Let's see how long, let's play some sort of game of how long can you be stuck in drawdown for before it hits your stop loss, and just see, that'd be a pretty cool game. Like and subscribe for a W. Yeah, you guys drop a thumbs up for the drawdown. Oh, we're not even at 100 likes here and 1,300 people have been here. You gotta drop a thumbs up for the drawdown, gang. Slither that thumb. Your Discord link expired? Nah, I think you might need to copy the link and paste it into your browser. Yeah, so here's this closure here. What are you gonna make of that, right? It's pretty ugly. I might look at getting out at BE if I can. This isn't what I wanted. This isn't what I anticipated to happen. Put it that way. Bro's gonna be in this trade till New York sesh. Fuck, Lord no. Oh fuck. They're making that candles. DD, Drawdown, David. Volume dried up, yes. Volume dried up, just like the way some of you guys make girls when you pull up your trading account. Wix City entry, yeah, got entered on a Wix Central. Bro, if this goes to stop loss, can we lose less in the trade? Yeah, maybe. Might look at managing if it goes back up to these wicks for sure. Yeah, it might be a good idea. Might be a good idea. 10. So if I'm going to sell, yeah, I might take off like 70% if it starts heading back up here. Welcome to Consolidation Station. Next up, stop loss. Fuck, come on, bro. Next up, stop loss. Much volume after that big red candle. Often like this. I don't know. Who knows, bro? Just all I know is just stick to the rules and see what happens. All I know is stick to the rules and see what happens. Type shit. If we can break this bottom wick, if I can just get a little bit of a wick fill, I want to get out of this pretty soon. I want to get out of this pretty soon. I'm going to BE. I'm going to BE. I just secured a bit. I'm going to BE. Oh, I secured a little bit too soon. My other trade's still open here. I'll leave this one running. Wow. Hey, where's all the motherfucking haters now? Where are you guys now? Where's all the haters now, motherfucker? Everyone was switching up on your day ones. Switch up on your day ones because you're in drawdown. God damn it. I'm closing this one. I'll leave this other one open. Switch up on your day ones. Motherfuckers! I'm the GOAT! I'm the GOAT! You've really tried to switch up on your day one. Unbelievable, man. I mean, how much am I in here? W. Fucking dogs. Exactly, bitch. Fucking hell, you guys. Switching up on your day ones like it's gone out of fashion. Fuck me. Switching up on your day ones, man. Crazy. Trust in your boy. Trust in your boy. I'm here to provide wisdom and knowledge to the poor and weak. Close 15 pips in profit. Nice. Yeah, I closed a little bit premature, but I just wanted to get out of it. Oh, really? Switch up on your day ones. Switch up on your boy. Just got 30 ticks. W. Switch up on your boy. TP hit. W. W. Doubt me now! They really out here doubting us, you guys. I'm the greatest trader that's ever lived. Bro wins one trade. Wait, any of you guys that took that though? At least it's a good way to finish your Friday. Nice one, Shibby. As people say, you don't take a trade the whole time. Yeah. Doubt me now. I'm the greatest trader that's ever lived throughout human history. Yeah. This was meant to happen. Cooked it, went to take off one full. Oh, 27, that's painful. That's all right. Good way to finish the week. Yes, sir. Yeah, W. I hope the lesson was learned there. Motherfuckers that switched up on your day one as soon as the trade didn't go exactly how you wanted it straight away. This is trading, bro. Just sometimes you have to let it cook a little bit. Sometimes you have to let it cook a little bit. All right. You guys, done for the week. Done for the week. W week over here. I'm up 400 bands over 3 accounts here on the fundeds. All right. What's that? 4, 8, 12. This is nearly 2,000 Australian dollars here. And then fucking whatever on this other one. So, beautiful. Beautiful. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys. Make sure you drop a thumbs up or some shit for the stream. Drop a sub, and you guys in the mentorship, I'll catch up with you on Sunday, but we'll chat in the mentorship anyway. Catch you up with you for the Sunday session. Anyone interested in learning the strategy and shit like that as well, if you go to danielholmestrades.com, apply here. But love you guys. Appreciate you guys, and I'll chat to you soon. Switching up on your day one, motherfucker.